Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 6 bedroom, 7 bathroom, ambassadorial residence for sale. It is located in the heart of the Golden Triangle, Kingston 6. This well-maintained property spans 9,000 square feet and is situated on a beautifully landscaped acre of land. As you enter, there is a main entrance foyer, large living area with a wet bar and powder room, and doors that open to the main dining room with AC and bay windows and built-in cabinetry. You can also find on the ground floor a large kitchen with swinging doors that leads from the kitchen back to the living room. Additionally, there are two staff quarters with bathroom and ceiling fans that can be accessed from the kitchen grill door. The second bedroom has an entrance door that's grilled and leads to a patio, making a separate entrance. The laundry area, located at the back, has a gardener bathroom and gives access to the rear of the house with a patio and gazebo overlooking the tennis court. The 4 bedrooms on the ground floor are ensuite that opens onto a covered patio and the pool. Venturing upstairs, there is a stairway to the upper floor that leads to a sitting, TV, playroom, and an upper floor landing to the master room. The property has the amenities you need. Make an offer. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 2.6 million or Jamaican $400.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.